What if I told you a simple audio file, a podcast, a story, even a voice note could become a fully edited video automatically? No stock hunting, no manual scene matching, no hours of editing. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. In Filmora, there's an AI feature called Audio to Video. This tool analyzes your audio, understands your content, and automatically creates a complete video with scenes, subtitles, visuals, and pacing. And today, I'll show you exactly where to find it, how it works, and when you should actually use it. Where to find audio to video? Start by opening Filmora. From the main interface, go to Toolbox and click Audio to Video. This launches Filmora's AI generation workspace. Upload your audio. Now upload your audio file. You can drag and drop files directly, or even paste a YouTube video link if your content is already online. Filmora supports formats like MP3, WAV, MP4, M4A, MKV, and more. So whether it's a podcast, narration, story, interview, or educational recording, you're ready. Project settings. Once your audio is uploaded, Filmora gives you smart customization options. Language detection. First, select your audio language. This helps AI understand speech more accurately. Content type. You can choose your content style. For example, story. Best for storytelling, narration, bedtime stories, emotional content. History. Great for educational videos, documentaries, facts, and explainers. Aspect ratio. Choose 9:16 for shorts, TikTok, Reels. 16:9 for YouTube, widescreen videos. Duration. You can choose Auto, 30 to 60 seconds, 60 to 180 seconds. This gives you control over short-form or longer content. Style and visual customization. Now comes the fun part. You can choose how your video looks. Filmora offers styles like anime, 3D cartoon, oil painting, watercolor, cyberpunk, pixel art, sketch illustration. So your audio doesn't just become a video, it becomes your style. Character customization. You can even upload your own character image, so the AI generates scenes around your custom subject. Generate the video. Once everything is set, click Generate. Filmora starts analyzing your audio, detects language, understands context, and builds scenes automatically. Review and edit. Once generation is complete, you get a fully editable project. Filmora automatically creates AI visuals, scene cuts, captions, timeline structure, visual pacing. And the best part? You can still jump into the timeline, swap clips, change subtitles, add effects, or make it fully yours. Real use cases. Podcasters can turn podcast episodes into YouTube shorts. Educators can convert lessons into engaging visual explainers. Story creators can turn stories into animated videos. Faceless creators can build short-form content without filming. Marketers can repurpose audio ads into social content. So if you have audio, you already have content. With Filmora's audio to video, AI does the editing, and you focus on the story. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one!